Just take it in your stride. Create our guide, keeping destiny. So believe.